So in this time I added some coding to make the project looks like a to-do app. Let us see what I have added to the project. So the first thing that I added a header to the nav bar as a nav bar of the application, and we have the to-do app, we have a menu entry for the list, and we have a create to-do page. And for this I have used Bootstrap library, which is a CSS library which helps us to create user interfaces, and for specific React I added React Bootstrap. And here we have a list of the to-dos. This is the ID of the to-do, and this is the description of the to-do, and this is a checkbox to show if it has been done or not. And then we have a create to-do form page, and here users can enter the title and then set up the checkbox if this is important, if this has done, and then create to do. And let us see what I have changed inside the app. So to see the changes, I created, this is the folder structure after I added some codes. So inside the app.tsx file, I added the package React Rotterdam. React Rotterdam is a package that allows us to create navigation and create links inside our React router. So here you can see that when I click, if I go to /create, this page will be shown, and if I press on list or here on the to do, then we will return back to this home page. And how it has been done, React Router provides a browser router class, and here I have a header, and here I have routes, and the first route, which is / will be mapped to the list component, which gets a to-dos as an array of to-do elements, and /create goes to the create page. As you can see, for now I hard-coded a list of to-dos. So for now I didn't add any server communication. There are just fixed to-dos, which this is the description, and this is the first to-do, second to-do, and the first one is important, is true. So you can see that this one should be okay. And we don't have, for now we don't have a column for to do, but if for example I will change this, and if I refresh the page, I kill the terminal, let me start the app again, and if I change this to true, you can see that it has been changed. So, and for the create page, and let us see the folder structure. So I have one header, you can see here I have models, which this is the definition of the type. Every to-do has an ID, has a title, has a boolean which shows if this is important, and has a boolean which shows if this to-do has been done. And inside header we have a link to / which is this to-do app, which is this, and then we have another link to / which is the list, and then we have the link to create, which is create to do. And inside to do I have two components. One of them is list, which as you can see we have a table, and these are the headers of this table, and inside here I will read to do's as a property, and we are iterating over this to do, and for each item we will show ID, title, and we will show a checkbox, and the condition that if this has been checked is that if this to do has been done. And inside create page we have a form, and this form has a title which is here, and then we have two checkbox, the first checkbox and the second checkbox for the if this task is important and if this task has been done. Until now this is a simple React project. It doesn't have any communication to the server. I just added React router package as the navigation, and I added React Bootstrap. And let us go here inside our package.json file. You will see that which packages that I had. And here is the list of all of my changes. So I added the header component, I added the to do, I created two files for create and listing to dos. Inside app.ts6 I removed all of the boilerplate code and I added the browser router and the header. And inside git ignore I added that idea folder to not be included, and I added some dependencies: bootstrap, react bootstrap, and react router DOM. So I will commit these and I will give you the repository link so you can also check out, and you can start from this point and you can check out my changes, and then you have this project.